So this is just an informative video on how to hook up one of these muffler silencers to an existing MZ65 pipe. Well, the diameter of the MZ65 pipe and the diameter of the piece that comes off of the silencer are the same, so you can't slide this one over that one. So I used, you can't see it underneath here, but I used a high temperature hose that I bought from AutoZone, and I slid that over the muffler silencer and then slid part of it over the MZ65 pipe. Then I used two of these clamps right here, 1, 2. It was a little hard getting it on, so I used a little bit of lubrication oil to slide it on because it was very difficult to slide it onto here. Then I went to Home Depot and bought one of these stainless steel pipe repair clamps, and has these two huge bolts and hinges on the bottom, and it worked perfectly. With the high temp heater hose alone, before I put this stainless steel clamp on, this muffler here was still shaking a lot. But right now, the way I have it set up, this thing does not even move at all. I mean, it is like one solid piece. So for anybody trying to put one of these on their bikes, this is the best method I've found to use so far. And the sound is night and day as far as loudness. It makes a huge difference, and this was only $20 or $25 from Amazon. Perfect. Thank you for watching.